So, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's videos, we are going to solve a very interesting problem called count collision on a road from Leetcode. Okay. So, this problem looks very complicated at first because cars are moving in different direction. Some are stationary, collision happen, car stop after collision, but don't worry. Today, I will explain the solution in a very simple and logical way line by line. So let's begin. So here, problem is here like L. We are given a string where each character represent the state of a car. So here L is what moving left, and R is moving right, and S is staying still. And car travels at equal speed and collide when they meet. After collision, they stop. We need to count the total number of collision. Okay, so here is the code. Okay, so in line number one, that is class solution. Okay, so here this create the solution class. Okay, just like the lead code aspect. And line number two, that is count collision direction. Here we define our function count collision, which receive the direction string. In line number three, we store the length of the string in n, which tells us how many car are there. In line number four, that is I comma j is equal to 0, n minus 1. Here we create two pointers. I start from left end and j start from right end. Okay. In line number 6 and 7, these looks skip all leading L's car. Left moving car at the beginning never collide because nothing is on their left. So we safely skip them. In line number 9 to 11, these looks skip all training R car. Okay, right moving car at the end also never collide because nothing is on their right, so we can skip them too. In line number 13, we initialize our collision counter. Okay, in line number 15, that is for k in range I comma j plus 1, if direction k is equal to yes and collision plus is equal to 1, these loops goes through the middle section of the road, the part of where collision actually happens. Inside this range, every car that is not yes will definitely collide with something. So we simply count all non-stationary car. In line number 19, there is a return collision. That means we finally return the total number of collision. So we have run this code. Okay, you can see on the display. Okay, so yes, it will run in the few seconds. Just take a time. Yes. So basically it's running. So conclusion of the question is like we solve the problem using a using a very smart and optimized logic. Instead of simulating movement, we observed that only car in the middle can collide. Cars moving left at the start and right at the end are completely harmless. This brings our solution down to zero end time and makes it super efficient. If you find this explanation helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which problem you want next. Thank you for watching. Happy coding.